Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Subway Surfers. To sign up into Subway Surfers, the first thing that you'll have to make sure of is that Subway Surfers is installed on your device. So we're going to be heading over to the app drawer, and then I'm going to be typing in Subway Surfers over here. If it is installed on your device, it'll appear over here, or else you'll have to download it from the Play Store. After this, you'll be greeted with please enter your age. So enter your age, and then hit confirm. Tap on the gear icon at the top right of your screen, and then you can either connect your Play Games or your Facebook account to sign up into Subway Surfers. For now, let's tap on Play Game, hit continue if you have already logged in with your Gmail, and then you'll have to hit select all, and then hit continue one more time. Now you have officially connected your account into Subway Surfers and signed into Subway Surfers. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.